sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Looking at a little script that I made up, and we're blinking 10 LEDs on the Maker Pi Pico that I did a video on. I'll throw a short clip of video to show what this is doing here. So maybe I'll just throw it in right about now. And as you can see, it is blinking GPIOs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, I did this up for 10 LEDs, which you could edit this script pretty easy. Now, this script also will work with a regular old Pico without the maker board. So, everything stays the same. It's just you don't have the maker board. As you can see, these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the GPIO pin on the Pico. And if we scroll down here, we can get rid of the shell. Here's the values. And you can edit these if you want them to blink, stay on longer or not. And LED lights 1 through 10. Now you can remove some of these. If you only want to blink 5 LEDs, you can just simply remove them lines here and go up and remove them lines there. And you'll only blink 5 LEDs. Or if you only want 1, you can eliminate, cut the script down. It's very simple. So right now it's running. Now I can stop it from running and I can turn it back on. So that's pretty much it. I'll put a link in the description to my website for this code, and hopefully this kind of helps out. Now, if you want to save this on the Pico to make it run on boot, we can go to File, Save As, Pico. Now it's busy here. Stop, File. I know I'm not recording the file, but you'll get the point. File, Save As, Pico. And we can just put main PY, and now I might have to remove the other file. Let's see here. Delete. Yes. And now let's see if we restart this. Alright, I replugged it back in and now it's running that script that will be blinking what's here in the code. So alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.